but here's how I've done it. So my quilt, my clothes, my down puffy goes right at the bottom. And I have to make sure I don't stuff that dry sack too much because I don't want it to bulge out here against my back. So I found like that's just about right. I can't shove anything around that or I'll feel it against my back. Then I'll go with the X-Therm. And then the hammock. And now it's where the little bit of a jigsaw comes into play, because there is enough room now between my hammock and my sleeping pad to fit some additional things. So I'll fit my first aid kit in there. My cook kit is right there on top. Toileting kit right on top. I think that's actually it for that part. Oh, almost forgot. Food bag. It's always nice to eat some of that food because then my weight gets less. And I want to fold this over. I do miss that Velcro closure. And now, on the outside, the very bottom, goes a tarp. And this wasn't in my gear video I showed last time, but this is Lawson Ultra Glide beer line and a mini carabiner. That Outdoor Research Helium 2 goes on the outside. Filter also goes on the outside. My headlamp goes on the outside, but down a little ways because I want to make sure that does not fall out. My tent stakes will go right there. My trusty Chi Whiz water bottle on the left here, along with my denatured alcohol and sunglasses. And when I'm done, my camera tripod goes in there. I'm keeping my batteries close at hand on the outside. I usually don't, but I probably will need to charge my phone today. And then smart water bottle on the other side, along with the sit pad. Always checking to make sure that looks comfortable. The bottom pocket, I'll put my snacks for the day. Lunch. Rest of breakfast. And then my trash bag at the very bottom on the outside. Let's get some air out of here. And last but not least,